Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to remove a Mazda CX-5 battery safely and efficiently. Before starting, always prioritize safety by turning off your engine and engaging the parking brake. Make sure you have a 10mm wrench or socket, along with gloves and safety goggles. The battery is usually a rectangular box located under the hood, often with a cover that needs to be removed first. Now let's disconnect the battery cables. It is crucial to always start with the negative cable first. This cable is usually black and marked with a minus sign. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut, then gently pull the cable off the terminal. Once the negative is free, proceed to disconnect the positive cable, which is typically red and marked with a plus sign. Keep both cables clear of the battery terminals. With the cables disconnected, it's time to remove the battery's hold-down mechanism. Mazda CX-5 models typically use a clamp or bolts with J-hooks that secure the battery to its tray. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen these fasteners until the hold-down is completely disengaged. Remember, car batteries are quite heavy, often weighing 30 to 50 pounds, so lift it out carefully to avoid injury or damage to your vehicle. Before installing your new battery, take a moment to inspect and clean the battery tray for any corrosion. Once clean, carefully place the new battery into the tray, making sure its positive and negative terminals align correctly. Reinstall the hold-down clamp and tighten it securely so the battery cannot move. Finally, reconnect the positive cable first, then the negative cable, ensuring both connections are tight and secure. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.